As you guys know, over the past couple of months, I have been all over the place when it comes to starting my next big business. I have tried Shopify dropshipping, eBay dropshipping, starting my own vending machine business, and I've even tried things like cell phone repair. Some of those have gone pretty well and others have gone really badly. And honestly, I've learned a lot over these past few months, and I finally figured out what my next big business is going to be. The next big business that I am going to be starting and documenting for you guys on the channel is my social media marketing agency, Noble Media Solutions. I've been doing social media marketing on and off for the past 4 months, but very recently I've decided to start taking this extremely seriously. And in today's video, I want to let you guys know what my plans are for my new social media marketing agency, and I also want to go into a little bit of my past when it comes to my marketing agency and discuss with you guys how I've gotten to the point I am now with my marketing business. My first experience with social media marketing took place in November of 2018 when a friend of mine, Ronnie, reached out to me and asked if we wanted to try and start a marketing agency to do marketing for businesses in the cell phone repair industry. I thought that was an excellent idea because at that time I was doing very well with phone flipping, but I wanted to expand into a business that I thought was still very scalable. And we thought, since we understood the cell phone repair and cell phone industry, it would be a great idea for us to do marketing for these businesses. So what we did is we began reaching out to these types of businesses through Facebook, through cold calling, and really through any way possible that we could find out how to get in contact with cell phone repair or cell phone shop owners. After about 2 weeks of doing our best to reach out to as many cell phone shop and cell phone repair owners as we could, we decided to switch things up a little bit, and we reached out to actually any type of business at all. We didn't care. We just wanted to find our first client in any niche, and then we would actually go ahead and pick our niche beforehand. We had no knowledge of actual marketing, so we just decided, hey, whatever niche we end up in, we can just do that. It took us a whopping 2 months to get our first client. We were just really bad at sales, and we were really bad at convincing someone that we would be good at the actual job of Facebook ads and Facebook marketing. But after 2 months, we got our first client, and we charged them $497 a month plus $500 ad spend, which, if you know anything about social media marketing, that is a very, very low amount of money for a client, because it's a lot of work if you're doing the Facebook ads yourself, and you can't outsource if you're charging that little amount of money for your service. So what we ended up doing is we started doing the Facebook ads ourselves, and we completely failed. We did a absolutely terrible job for that client. We got no results at all. The funnels we built are just hysterical. They're so bad. The ads we ran were so bad. We had no idea what we were doing, and we ended up making $0 for the client and spending all $500 of their ad spend and still getting paid for it. But of course, they didn't continue for the next month because we completely failed. We had no idea what we were doing. And then at this point, Kish told me that he no longer wanted to do the agency because he was focusing on other projects. So I said, okay, that's fine. And I continued doing the agency by myself. I wasn't going to give up because of one bad experience with the client. So what I did next is I signed another client for $497 a month and $500 ad spend. And I tried to do marketing for this client again, and I completely failed. I really needed to get help for Facebook ads because I had no idea how to run them. Literally, a monkey could have done the same job as I did because I got no results for this second client, didn't make them any money, and I lost all of the ad spend. After a bad experience with my first 2 clients, I decided to take a break from my business, Jumpstart Media, until I can figure out how to deliver a better product or service. And what I decided to do is actually outsource the marketing. You can outsource the marketing in many different ways. Number 1, you can find freelancers on websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Or number 2, you can find websites online that actually offer marketing services at a very, very low price. And you can get really good results either way. There are a lot of good marketers on Upwork or Fiverr. Just make sure you check their reviews. And there are also a lot of good websites for marketing. So what I decided to do is outsource my marketing through a website online. And the website was charging about $499 a month for the marketing. So that meant I had to charge more than that for my marketing fee. Once I figured out how I could get my agency to deliver an excellent product or service, and once I partnered with an individual who knows a ton about social media marketing and Facebook ads, it was time to scale an agency. I completely changed the name to Noble Media Solutions, and now we work together to really help landscapers revolutionize their marketing business. And we are trying to scale this business a ton right now. We're reaching out to a ton of different landscapers. We're getting on calls every single day, and we're really working hard with the business. We're hoping to scale it to 6 figures relatively quickly, but obviously we're in no rush because we believe in our product, and we know money comes if you have an excellent product that you're really ready to deliver to landscapers or whoever you're serving. That is where we are at right now with the marketing agency. We are in the process of just scaling it to the moon. Be on the lookout for a bunch of marketing videos coming on the Financial Wolf channel. I'm really excited that I'm finally able to talk about all the awesome things that we are doing. So guys, be ready. It's going to be an awesome journey. And if you're excited, be sure to subscribe, and peace out.